Hey, hello everybody, welcome back to my DIY channel. And last week I made a video about how to fix the holes with the wood dust and the Gorilla Glue, right? This one, you see this part, this was the cracks. This was the cracks. I already filled it up with wood dust and the Gorilla Glue, and looks pretty well. It looks, I know it's, I mean, I shouldn't say it looks good. It doesn't look good, but it feels pretty good. It's all solid, very good, and hold everything. And also the expansion tube here, the plastic expansion tube also hold pretty solid. You see that? And call it, this is just a DIY for myself, so I don't care that much about the look as long as it is hold solid, right? See, this one's doing pretty well. The thing is and I think so far I just need to do this and put the screw back. My neighbor is a very cool guy. He told me to buy this. This is called the Hinge Repair Bracket Kit. Okay, I will write the name down the video. And it basically gives extra holding on the wood. This is already kind of it's already fixed, but it's kind of I won't say, need some. It's good to have some extra force down there, right, to hold it. That would be nice, right? But the thing is, I bought. It's about like this is the whole thing. It's even central screws. It's about like $6, something like that. I forget. Definitely lower than $10. Okay, you can find any. Don't have to be this brand. You just look online and you find all kind. They have a lot of different kind of brand. Just a simple aluminum. That's it. Again, how I make this feet. Yeah, it doesn't see. It doesn't go. It doesn't go. This hole is too small for mine. So I basically use a needle fly just to sort it out. This hole is too small. The screw hole is too small. So I made it bigger, and this part I make the bigger. The big hole I make the bigger too. So this is look like this. Right? Again, it's ugly, but it works. Right? It's a DIY. It doesn't have to be perfect. You see, the hole is much bigger, and this place have more room here for this thing. So now what this look like is this. You see, yep. Oh no, sorry, this side. Yeah, this way. Yep. Let's go there. See the hole is perfectly, almost perfect. It's never perfect, almost perfectly, right? It's all in there. And now I just put it back. You see that? Oh, oops. Yep, move it back. All right. Not too bad. Yep. This one here. See it over there. I don't want to pull it all in yet because I have some other work to do. I want to make it a little bit loose on that part. Not, yeah, see that over there. Oops. All right. I want to demo to you about I can put in the screws in the right place. You'll see that. Screws in. Right. See this bracket. It will give extra safety for the wood itself. Right. It's just yeah, you see that? That's pretty neat, right? Yeah. I don't want to. I need to do some more work on the hole later on. So I just give you a quick demo. This is how this is fixed, and I call it a pretty success. And there's a little bit extra work. I will do it later. And you have any idea or questions? Feel free to leave me a note. And again, this is a DIY, not a. You're probably not going to make any profit from this what I show you, but at least. You can save a few bucks. And again, cannot mention enough. Don't hurt yourself. Wear the safety and wear the glove. Maybe something. Don't hurt yourself and don't make your hole a little bit worse. Right? Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. Okay, bye bye.